I want to make something that's going to make it easier to move around some sheet goods, and it seems a good opportunity to use up some scraps. I have this long piece to use as the main body and then some scraps to use as a hook, and as you can see, a bit of ply fits in easily. So I want to cut everything to the width of this long piece. So first I can get the bits marked out, and then I can take them over to the table saw to cut them down. Now, I did have a commercially available sheet good carrier, the one where you hold the sheet from the top, but I never got on with it, so hopefully this is going to be more comfortable. So while I was at the saw, I cut a couple of bits for the hook and 2 more bits for the handle. So to put the hook together, these 2 bits just get glued together and then screwed together, and then I can get some glue on them and get them attached to the bottom of this long piece of MDF. So for the handle, it's basically the same, 2 bits of wood attached together, but instead of using the scrap of MDF, I've got a scrap of pine so that I can shape it, just to make it a bit more comfortable to hold. So I'm going to get clamped up in the vise, and then use my block plane just to round over the corners. Now, I've measured my arm length and I've worked out where I want the handle to be on this. So I can get that marked out and attached, but I'm not going to glue it, I'm just going to screw it, just in case my measurements are wrong and I want to adjust it up or down at all. So that's it all done. A bit of wood with 2 kind of hook bits on it, incredibly simple, but let's see if it actually works. So I get it round the other side of a sheet of wood, and then get that lifted up onto it, roughly about in the centre. Then I can get my arm hooked over it, lift it up and carry it. Straight away, this feels so much more comfortable and natural than any other solution I've tried before, so I think this is going to really help my back moving these around. So another simple project done, ready to actually make something out of this MDF. So thanks for watching, thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.